finals na. Ito kayo ba? For gold na.
We have an open court, court number 1, court inspector.
Oh, last.
Inspector Noel. We have an open court at court number 1.
Go, Bogs!
One available match is court number 1, court inspectors.
Go, Bogs! Fuck, nakabahan ako.
Grade School Novice. Who is the court inspector?
Pasok ba?
Grade School Boys Novice. Grade School Boys Novice. Paging the court inspector of Grade School Boys Novice.
For final match, paging Marie Joyce Hernandez, Blue Armor, please proceed to the inspector area right now. Marie Joyce Hernandez.
Nakapuntos na ba si Edward?
Please proceed to the
Oo
inspector
naman!
area.
Sugod! Bogs! Oh! Hindi ikot eh! Wala na.
Board managers, please release all pending settings on the final matches for swimming. Thank you.
Shit, sana panalo.
All our players, winning players, please move back to your inspection area.
Oh! 0-1.
We will proceed
Go
to
back!
the final matches as soon as the jury paper is ready.
Go
Please
back!
proceed now to your respective
Go back!
all winning players.
Oh!
The following players, please proceed to court number 6 now. Kim Galupo. Kim Galupo, player Kim Galupo. Please proceed to court number 6 now. I'm sorry, please remove the formally inspection. The court managers
Sayang!
look for Sir Jackie.
Ito na lang.
Proceed to the court managers area. Player Galupo.
Tira! Tira! Sayang. Bang-abang na lang. Ay, puta. Music na. Natamaan ba? Natamaan. May tahid kick? Ano? Ano higit? Ha?
Headgear lang tinamaan.
Sure ka? Hello, panalo ba yan?
Walang power eh.
Baka pinag-anuhan yun. Ha?
Clear point din sa headgear. Pero talaga, ano to?
Nakapuntos ba si Edward ng ano?
Dalawa.
Si Eduardo? Eh, yung isa. Di ba nakaisa siya? Lord! Wow! Yes! Woo! Thank you, Lord.
Kevin Liwa, Junior Men Novice, Advance. Acknowledge please, Player Kevin